Hi, good morning. This is our day 16 at the Great Philippine Overlanding Loop. Galing kami ngayon sa Naga, pababa kami ng Central Luzon, sa Punings, dito sa Hot Spring, sa Porac, Pampanga. And then, mag-stay lang kami ng overnight dito. And then, magpuproceed kami ng Tarlac City to meet our beloved Mayor, Mayor Christy Angeles. Then, proceed na kami sa Maliko, where's the Sherman Tank. And then proceed na kami pababa. We are invited in Cabagan, Isabela for a dinner sa bahay ni Governor with the rest of the group. And then regroup kami doon. And then that night, dire-diretso kami ng Las Palmas sa Tuguegarao. This is the day 16 of our Great Philippine Overlanding Loop by Mototesco. So again, thank you.